Today I'm going to show you how to do a beaver catch and cook.
He played a 50-50 game on if I would play the one that uses more magic or the sword character.
Oh, easy the more magic. Yeah, that's...
Well,
he
see,
thought otherwise, so he picked
Just
the sword character had crazy cool music playing, so like
that was actually, you know because that actually did make
yeah,
sense.
bro. Because I was like, oh man, I really want to play sword, but oh, I also really want to play magic. Wait, Mason, do we look the exact same? We absolutely do. Wait, let me take my mask off. Oh, I can't take my mask off. I'll be back.
You joining? Well, I'm also downloading the newer version of it as well. I don't have the newer version.
Cloud to cloud communication.
Oh.
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 You in the cutscene too.
Yeah. Am I being actively attacked right now? No.
Wow.
Holy.
Oh.
Oh. God damn.
Damn. Holy shit.
I am Tuval Claire, not your envoy heart. With me.
I will.
Share a little bit more than my heart with you. God damn.
I can fix you. Alright, I'll help you.
Oh, I got out of the cutscene. I got as soon as the cutscene ended, shield bash.
The blight of ingots. The waste of coal.
Oh, I just absorbed her.
Oh,
Wait a minute.
I think we can craft weapons now.
Oh my god! See ya.
How do I get inside?
I got it!
I'm trying to get a perfect dodge drop on these motherfuckers. Oh, now they're just running away. Okay.
Let me in.
I did something. Oh fuck.
Oh boy.
Mahmoud? Like here? Did you kidnap this child? Oh, don't know! Oh my god!
What's his face? Yeah.
I don't know where the fuck I'm looking.
Oh my god!
Wow. Wow. Is that it?
That was fucking quick. Damn, Mom!
Holy shit.
Holy, good dog.
No. Darlek.
Dude, do you see this chest right here?
Alec. You said
Yeah.
Darlek.
No, it's
Dalek. It's Dalek.
Dalek.
Yeah,
Right,
they literally
nerd.
go Dalek.
To see it whole.
Yeah. Dalek.
Alright, nerd. Also, look at this door.
No, don't you fucking nerd me. Don't you goddamn nerd me. This motherfucker added an R.
A fucking revolving door in the
Wait,
year
what?
1502.
Wait. Oh wait, no, there's another door.
I know. Oh,
Oh, no, it's right here.
this door's all fucked up.
We killed them all.
Mercy. That is not in your vocabulary.
Wow,
Use me!
I'm trying.
Use me! Get out of me! Ah,
the
hold on, I'm trying to get back to you.
I'm trying to open the chest.
No,
I can't wait to use the...
The king of the castle.
Hidden is debatable.
I'm the king of the castle.
Where the fuck? Oh.
Keen to
Wait,
see
this
it
one right
whole.
here.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, what the
Oh.
fuck?
Oh, fuck! Oh,
I'm gonna fucking riff.
our green!
Unbeknownst to you, we
fucking-
have birds on our side. Poor them. They didn't know we had birds.
Infinite birds.
What
Like
happened?
here,
Where
look
all
at
these
this.
goats
This is
come
such an
from?
awesome spell that we have.
7,000 fucking pigeons. Eat this man.
Their ability.
There's summoning
Do
live
it again. Yes.
I'm gonna suck them off.
Yeah, it's like a lot.
Oh wait, I can't suck them. Oh, there it is.
There you go.
a lot of damage. Oh my god, there's so many!
Infinite birds!
So many of them!
Come on, hit that shit.
I'll hit that shit, alright.
Oh fuck. Oh, speaking of, hey, Beaver. Master Beaver. Oh, there he goes, vibrating off into the distance.
Beaving it. I'm beaving it. I'm beaving it.
Go around.
I need a new hat.
Birds. Wait, holy shit.
It's tracking him. It's tracking him. Oh my god, the beavers are bird resistant.
No, the ultimate technique.
Oh hell no, bro.
Wait,
That
can
was-
I
Legendary technique. Bird deflection.
Did it work?
Did it work?
I can't
Or did it
tell.
just-
It did.
Fun.
It did work. He's stoned.
That is
Oh,
so.
oh, he is, yeah. So beaver beats bird.
It's stoned.
That means we need to get infinite beavers.
We need infinite beavers because beavers beat but then we just gotta be careful because stone beats beaver.
Stone beats beaver. I'm almost certain stone also beats bird.
2 birds, 1 stone.
2 birds, 1 beaver.